Okay guys, in this video we are gonna solve CyberCrafted CTF on TryHackMe. CyberCrafted CTF has an difficulty is medium, and when I be starting on the CTF, I got this here. There's a different protocol and port. I guess the first scene ever of my life, and I thought that we have to be solve this old CTF on over here together. So I'm just gonna show you guys how can we actually solve this, and then I guess now I have just an mmap scan for. I'm gonna actually scan for all port on this IP address, and we have to be hack this IP address, but it's giving us this different web server is running on. We just have to be going on etc host one more time. What we are doing it because we have to be adding here this IP address is equal to this domain. So now I think we have to be looking for the mmap scan, but we just have to be looking for mmap -sc. Yep, like that. Just add this IP address, and you have to be come over here and give this 22 port and 80 port and 25 565. You just have to be scan this port because there is an M3 port is open there, and the first question is how many ports are open. I mean, it's going to be 3. So what service run is highest port? It's Minecraft, right? Yes, it's a Minecraft. The service is running Minecraft. Alright, Minecraft. Alright, I think that's fine. We have to be hacking this IP address and which machine is using for this IP address. And then first of all is giving us some question we have to be getting on the CTF. For example, is we have to be scan all ports here and what service is running on the highest port, and the other things we have to be know about it. And the subdomains we have to be check it for here subdomains. So I'm just gonna go there and say I'm gonna clear it. I'm just gonna use with GoBuster here, GoBuster, yep. And alright, can I ask this the ChatGPT GoBuster tool for looking subdomains? No. Oh my god, GoBuster, not like here. GoBuster tool for rehosts. Oh my god. Alright, GoBuster rehost -u target URL and -v. Okay. I think we have to be just come over here and GoBuster say just rehost and -u equal to this CyberCrafted TryHackMe. Alright, let me copy this. No. What? Yes. There's another domain. We just have to be looking for the subdomain on this. For -v, I'm just gonna use here. I actually don't want to be used to. Alright. I actually don't want to be used here. There's a directory list 3.t medium txt because it's not it's not for the it's not for the for subdomains. We have just looking for the subdomain here, and if I'm gonna say subdomain txt, nope. Do you remember what's on the okay subdomains? Let me check it. Yeah, we got in here. So user share match exploit framework data word testing subdomain txt is over there. Alright, if I'm gonna say locate the sac list, nope. Sac lists, no. Okay. Alright, let me go here, sac list txt file, no. subdomains .txt file sac list. Alright. Yeah, there is an subdomains top 1,000,005. Alright. I actually just want to use that. Alright. Come over there and say nano subdomains.txt. I'm just gonna what? No, because we're not actually here. Copy. Alright, let me copy this, and we just have to be pasted. Alright. Okay. There's an array for the 5,000. Sac list is over there. Now we can use it. Actually, now go buster. Okay. Dash V, home, Elliot, documents, craft, subdomains, txt is over there. Nope. Then alphabetic order. Maybe we have to be actually doing here the controller is giving us a subdomain on the Z. No. Okay. Is there any subdomain is over here and mmap current result? I think it's not, but it's not. We're gonna be running like completely actually. It's not giving us this alright, in this actually in the sac list, I'm just gonna go there in the sac list for discovery, DNS. Right, in the discovery DNS, and look it for here shops subdomain txt view route. Alright. Now I think controller A, controller copy, and go here last move subdomain txt nano subdomains txt is one more time. Just paste it. It could be take time because it's really the big directory and the file is over there. I think we have to be just as waiting for it. Or we're gonna be using here the curl for install that actually. So copy. I'm gonna say here no. Alright, I think it's fine. Alright, let me know is vc-l. There's an too many list, too many is over there. No, it's gonna be working now on it. It will give some this cool result is over there, and the subdomains alphabetical order. Okay, one is not running is one. I'm just actually looking for the here. Not status it will be not equal to 400. Okay, on what page did you find vulnerability? What is admin username? What is flag? Can you get the Minecraft server flag? Okay, I'm just gonna try that. Alright. I think we just have to be waiting for it, but it's going to take time too much. Anyway, we have to be waiting, I think, for looking at subdomains is over there because the controller is just giving us nothing for subdomains information about it. Alright. I think it's the reason the third one is equal to www. I think it could be fine to do on it. If I'm gonna be try this, for example, I want to be try and I'm adding here is nano etc host is over there. So I'm just gonna go there nano etc host and I add here, because it's the third one, there's an just 3 words is over there. We just have to be try it. I'm just gonna try just www.cybercrafted.tryhackme. Yeah. If I'm gonna go there in this CyberCrafted.tryhackme, she's giving us nothing. There is an www.cybercrafted.tryhackme's web store is running on it. If I'm gonna say is controller U, it's giving us the same result to the on it, because it's giving us this what we were doing on before, and it's just not without the cybercrafted on it. So maybe we have to be using here Ferox Buster. Why not Ferox Buster? No, it's not gonna be installed on my. Definitely install. I just don't like it because it's giving us this too many time to get it, and it's optimized alphabetical order. Okay. Subdomains top 1 million txt. If I'm gonna be check it, there is a 1 megabyte. Maybe we have to be try on it because it take a time too much. What? Are we gonna deleting or? Oh my god. Alright. Just let me try this. For this on a server. Okay. Alas. Go Buster, we host to subdomain txt, but if I'm gonna say here there's nano 1 txt, just give it Control Shift V. We're gonna try in the Ferox Buster run from controller X. Now it's gonna try with Go Buster we host and dash v is equal to 1.txt is over there. What is this and what is this? I have no idea actually. It's giving us the same result as over there. Maybe we have to be using since VFuse or the Ferox Buster. But I like it. Go Buster is definitely giving us too many cool things. I just really to using the Go Buster here because it's simply. Oh my god. Alright, Ferox. Before the Ferox Buster, I'm just gonna be remove it and nano subdomain txt. Just paste it what we were doing before, and then actually is giving over here, and Ferox Buster, Ferox Buster usage for subdomains. Okay. Just like that. Alright, let me copy this and try now dash u equal this and dash v. This here subdomains txt is over there. I'm not actually looking here. Oh, this has secrets file. Okay, secrets. Nope. Okay. Oh, secrets. Not secrets. Background one GPK file is over there. I think there's an back to. I actually don't looking here. I'm looking for here subdomains. Directory. Yeah, that's right. It's not gonna be running on that HTTP. Dash v and dash t dash q DNS. Okay, we just have to be adding here dash q DNS. Nah. Dash t DNS. Dash. Okay. Dash t DNS dash p. Alright, let me. No, it's not working. Sponsored subdomains usage. Okay. Diffuse usage for subdomains. Okay. add the word list here. I'm just gonna give here subdomains txt. Alright. Alright, regarding the first is equal to www store. Oh my god, Wi-Fi is running on us. Now it's gonna be working. Okay, the first one is www store and an admin file and www. Okay, regarding. And the first one is admin. And then the second one, oh my god, the Wi-Fi is actually is running here. The admin, the first one is store, and the other one is here on www. Yes, that's correct. Oh my god. Now it's not time to be running it. So it's really fine. Alright, let me go nano etc host is over there. Alright, cool. Now we have to be adding here the CyberCrafted.TryHackMe. I'm just gonna be actually copy this. Want to be alright, let me go there. So the second one is admin dot and paste it, and the third one is store dot and just paste it. Okay. Oh my god, it's really fine. So now we can actually access on the subdomains directly. I'm just gonna be use here http store dot paste it http admin dot admin dot https admin dot. Okay, there's an admin.cybercraft.tryhackme and there's an store.cybercraft.tryhackme, but it's giving us the forbidden here. Why is giving us like that? Nano etc host store.cybercraft.tryhackme. So it could be fine. Alright, there is a login page is over there, and the another one is www.cybercrafted.tryhackme. Okay. No, TryHackMe. Nope. http store dot copy http store dot cybercrafted.tryhackme. You don't have permission access as resource. Okay, there's an login page. Let me try admin and admin to here. Incorrect username and password. Okay, let me go www. Alright. If I'm gonna check in here the controller U. No, there's nothing. So okay. On web page, find the vulnerability. I have no idea. Maybe there is an admin page we're giving here. There's vulnerability is over there, but we have to be checking the directory one more time to getting for this subdomains with domains. So I want to be used here actually guy GoBuster one more time. I'm just gonna give here GoBuster and dir-u http. The first one I'm just gonna looking for the www.cybercrafted.tryhackme and say for user share word list. Now if I'm gonna check in here the word list, oh, there's an attack list already here. Oh my god. So let me go discovery. Nope. Okay. and do the here for discovery. Just have to be looking for web content. Oh my god. And now for web content, I'm just gonna use here raft and small words dot txt. It's not gonna be running on this. I'm just gonna give here dash s. It's just looking for is dash s is giving us actually with allow it on the server. I'm just gonna looking here the 200 and status just equal 200, 301 and 302 and dash x HTML and PHP HTML PHP tx no yes txt will be giving us maybe blanking, and XML definitely we have to be check it. Error status backup server will please set only one. Oh my god, why is not giving us like that? Alright, cool. There's an index HTML we getting. Alright, if I'm gonna go there, there's index HTML. Now it's giving us this error incorrect username password on the URL. Oh my god, it's cool. Maybe we have to be looking. So the first of all, I'm just gonna go here index.html. Now fine. Okay. The assets, we have to be go assets, I think, to here. Assets. Yes, we getting something here. Just the comment, PNG file, log background, a login CSS. There is an MTTF file. It's I think it's bullshit. Anyway, actually we have to be check it here that, for example, I'm just gonna use it for the yes to here. Just adding here this admin.cybercrafted.tryhackme. Admin.cybercrafted.tryhackme. Maybe we have to be checking. Where's that? It's giving us what? Login PHP on this on here. Login.php. Alright, it's giving us the same thing here and just giving their assets. We were doing before the same thing. We got it. If you remember. On www is over there. We just have to look in here. www those assets and secrets. Okay, maybe we have to be go the secrets. It's giving us just a GPK file. Maybe we have to be install it on the server and using stage high on it. Alright, we can just on this admin login page now. We have now actually to hear the as. Oh my. Alright. If I'm gonna say here http store dot cybercrafted dot TryHackMe. It's forbidden, right? But I want to be use it actually. I'm just gonna go paste it and change it with the www with the store is over there. I'm just gonna be looking here. Okay. Search PHP. Search.php. Oh my god, we got in here to something. Oh really? I think it's store. what page did you find the vulnerabilities? There is an, I think, is search.php. Alright, that's correct. Okay guys, now we can access to hack this machine now with using the here where is it, in search.php, and there's the store CyberCraft. Browse store purchase in-game items. If I'm gonna say here admin, for example, I'm just gonna try it. This item is ML and cost is here. I'm just gonna control U for on it. Alright. So, what is admin's username? Case sensitive user. What am I actually doing here? I have no idea actually. SQL injection. SQL injection, GitHub, Pella on GitHub. Alright, let me try this. Oh my god, alright, there's an SQL injection. Okay, guy. Yeah, there's an SQL injection vulnerability. Now we have to know about something of SQL injection, but how can we actually using on it? I have no idea how can we using here the SQL injection. It's just giving us this price, and the amount is over there. I think it's Minecraft items for the store search. So, can you give me some info about SQL injection for I got admin username? Sure. Alright. Okay, we got it. Now we have to be using this on it. Alright, I'm just gonna be copy this. Alright, let me try. No. Alright. It's giving us union select null from user role admin. Union select null and the username null from user role is admin. Maybe we have to be actually using it because we have no idea about this admin. Maybe it's not username, it's something like that. That means I'm just gonna using here union select null. And then the second one is amount. It could be actually here null. And then the third one is definitely we just have to be amputated space on it null. And then for cost, and this is just for cost, right? And the third one is just giving here dash and dash. Okay, it's giving us now the same thing. Which just is giving us the item to here. I'm just looking for tables. Yes. Or let me try. No. Alright, let me try. Alright, the null and union select null. Information for tables. Okay. Union select the null and could be is the value is over there. So okay, the value. Alright, could be value. Maybe it's actually looking for the here null and null. and say here the table name, it could be is from information, the schema dot tables, schema dot tables, yes, it's just giving his table, the item and cost is over there. It's the same value what we're getting, the result is over here. Now we just have to be looking here to actually, okay, the columns, right? Okay, union select null null null. Now it's the not table name, it could be actually here the column name, I think column name, the from information schema is not schema dot tables, it could be equal to columns. Okay, now we just have to be in this, there is columns, and choose here where table name, it could be equal to this column name, it could be definitely equal what, admin. We just have to look in here admin. Alright. There isn't a user and hash? Are we gonna be checking the hash here? We're just using some SQL injection? Alright, I'm gonna try union select null null user. Alright, the actually here value is equal to user hash, the from what is from information from the admin. So let me try. Alright, we got in here. Alright, this is the first flag is over there. Alright, it's cool. But I have no idea what is admin's username. I don't know. The cyber chef. What is it? Hash crack. I'm not a robot. Crack hashes. Diamond 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, now we getting here what is admin's username. I think it's the password, what we already copied this. And then maybe it's actually here, it's the username. Alright, let me try this. So, maybe we have to be looking for on it is admin login admin login page. And for password, I'm just gonna give this sign in. Yes, we got in here. Now we have the run system commands is over there. Alright, that's cool. And that means there is a username for admin. So now we have to be looking for this run system commands. I'm just gonna give you to here guide that definitely is there is a PHP. Alright, I'm just gonna go here reverse shell generator. Okay. Ancat dash no. Ancat dash nvlp for 44 and then 10.8.72.274 port. I'm just gonna give here 44. I'm looking for here the PHP. No. Alright, I'm just gonna be copy this. Okay, let me try. Copy and go there. Alright, we getting the shell here, guy. We hacked the machine. So for example, if I'm gonna say who am I double data, for getting says we're using here the like shell. I'm just gonna give here Python 3 import putty dot spawn bin bash, like this definitely. Alright, it's not working because now Python 3 is like that. So adding here pyth like that definitely. Copy. Now it's gonna be pasted. What? Oh my god. Yeah, we have to be changing it definitely. Guys, it's false. It's not right. Yes, now it's gonna be working. I'm just gonna here export term is equal to x term. Okay, controller Z ct t dash row echo and then fg or something like that. No. Okay, ls. Okay, let me go back and go back. cd. One more thing we have to be go and go for here cyber. Permission they need for CyberCrafted. Okay, let me go there. x ultimate creeper or something like that here. LSLA. Can you get Minecraft? Alright. Maybe you have to be go SSH to here. Authorized case and ID RSA is already there. So if I'm gonna checking for the cat ID RSA. Alright, we getting here ID RSA. So if I want to be check it, if I'll need to have cd home documents to craft and say here, first of all I'm gonna be checking crafted nano, no, okay, nano id _rsa. Okay, there's an ID RSA we're getting. So if I'm gonna be checking it with ID RSA tool using for SSH, there's an SSH port is open, right? Okay, let me check it. SSH-I ID RSI for looking to XXX Ultimate Creeper XXX server on it. Add to the this. You just have to be looking this server. Alright, SSH-ID RSA just like that. If I'm just gonna say here yes, this is the password. I don't know about this password. And we're gonna be checking here the crack. Alright. I'm just gonna be remove here the fireworks. Anyway, now we have to be actually here crack this admin RSI to alright SSH. to ID RSI. No, SSH. We just have to be using here SSH to zone to ID RSI could be equal to ID RSI the hash. Now there's an ID RSI, this hash is over there. Now time to be crack it. ID RSI hash and using here dash dash word list could be equal to user share word list bracket txt here. Yeah, we getting the password here is this ID RSI hash is cracked with creeping 26. All right, 2006. This password is creeping 2006, right? Okay. Now we can use here SSH one more time. All right, let me try it. So to give the password now, it's the here creeping. No, it's not true. Bro, SSH dash I ID RSI for the this. That's definitely right because we have to be executed this SSH file. Chmod 600 ID RSI. No, it's gonna be working now. It has to be asking here password. Okay, if it's asking the password, we can paste it. Alright, are we gonna be hacking SSH server? Yes, that's really cool. LSLA. Okay, Minecraft server flag. I have no idea what's Minecraft server flag. It's over there. I'm gonna say here system info. Right, lab use sys info is over there. Okay. Please ask your administrator. I'm gonna say here groups for looking just to XX Ultimate Zipper and Minecraft. Alright, where's Minecraft? So, alright, find, I'm just gonna use here find dash type could be equal to type is could be file and dash group equal to Minecraft and 2 is larger than developer null. So it's giving us something about Minecraft groups, I think is over there. Okay, opt Minecraft CyberCrafted. There's an OR file, I think we have to be just got it. Alright, let me go see the opt. Unless there's a Minecraft file. Okay, cat for example, no, Minecraft server flag txt is over there. Cat Minecraft server flags txt is over there. Okay. What is the name of schedule plugin? Alright. If I'm gonna say here cat not txt, just implemented we plugin within server so non-premium Minecraft accounts can game to CyberCrafted. It's gonna be CyberCrafted? Nope. So I'm actually looking for it. If I'm gonna say ls there's a CyberCrafted. If you remember, we got it before in the find. So I'm gonna give here the guy just ls-lla. It's just I'm just gonna be looking here for. Oh, there's a plugin directories over there. I'm just gonna go plugin file to here and ls-la. So there's an login system file, the schedule plugin, login system. Yes, that's correct. Now we have to be go actually to here. I think is the login system. ls. All right, maybe there's an block.txt. All right, let me cat it. So it's giving us PD Java Edition Bedrock is this password range logins is password 123. So there wasn't too many. All right. So if I'm gonna say here so for what? So CyberCrafted. And the password is equal to here password 123, I think. All right, let me paste it. Who am I? No, we are not. So CyberCrafted for password. Why we? I know it's I think it's the bad, but it says password is equal to Java edition larger than Bedrock. Now we are in the CyberCrafted hack, the CyberCrafted machine. I'm gonna go here cd home. No, cd home. ls cd CyberCrafted. Yes, we now have to be cat user.txt. Now we got into user.txt for CyberCrafted now. So finish the job and give me a root flag. Alright, I think it's time to be getting a root here. The first of all, we have to be checking for privilege escalation. The first thing we have to be starting here sudo -l, and for password. Alright, I'm just gonna give this. Yes, that's giving us the here user binary secret -r CyberCrafted we can actually using for the getting root to here. And then I think it's giving us how come we're actually using here the root. So if I'm gonna say user binary secret -i CyberCrafted. Okay, no. The secret -r the CyberCrafted. No. Sudo screen the CyberCrafted. Help. No. What? Screen is terminating. We're gonna go here gufto bins. Screen, yes, to here to get sudo screen. Okay. Sudo screen and then -r CyberCrafted. Paste here. No, it's not giving us nothing to here, guy. Okay, let me try with this. Just copy this and just give here sudo, paste it. Now we're gonna be waiting here or something like that. I have no idea actually to on it. I don't know. Now it's giving us the root file. It's just you have to be come over here, guy, and just gonna be used here. But you can use actually here using the screen Linux with like that. Yeah, you just have to be come over there, and you just have to be actually to run here sudo user binary screen and -r crafted, and I say here controller A and controller C. You just have to be doing it. I'm just gonna be reading here is over there. I'm just gonna go there to who am I now, where am I on the root. If I'm gonna say the pwd, then we have to be go to here actual cd home. No, I think we have to be go there cd root and cat root .txt. Alright, we got in the root.txt, and we got escalate the privilege guys is over here. And you know we got this all the flags is and all the question we get answered this correctly. Now it's time to the end of the video. It's really hard, but I like the CTF. It could be take my time just too much, but I like it. And this is off the end of the video, guy.